Hey gang, Danny here from the Green Room, and welcome to another daily stock pick video. If you're new to the channel, hit that like and subscribe button. That way you get notified when we send out more videos just like this, where we share high probability trading setups that we call buy and sell zones using multi-time frame analysis to help you beat the current market. So let's get into today's video. Now, for those of you that are a part of the private Discord, we took a trade on Yeti today. Okay, we first things first. All right, we trade off a strategy we call the TPS strategy. Okay, and what is the TPS? Well, TPS is just simply an acronym for trend, pattern, and squeeze. All right, now this is a high probability, powerful setup that we use to profit on a consistent weekly and monthly basis, time after time after time, no matter what current market we're in, whether we're in a bull market, whether we're in a bear market or a choppy market. Okay, we profit consistently week after week and month after month. All right, now going into the trade setup on Yeti. Now, why did we take this trade? Well, number one, okay, we always trade with the trend. Okay, and how do we determine the trend? Well, we determine the trend by the EMAs. Okay, are the EMAs stacked? And what do I mean by that? Well, is the 8 EMA above the 21? Is it 21 above the 34? Is it 34 above the 55? And in this case, we have that. So we determined that the trend is up. And unfortunately, I don't have it plotted on my charts right now, but I have it as a label here on my Thinkorswim charting platform here. But we have stacked EMAs. Okay, so that's check one. Okay, number two, do we have a pattern, right? Well, this is our pattern here. Okay, we recently had a move to the upside, and then now we're consolidating into a bull, whatever you want to call it, a bull flag, a bull pennant, whatever it is. We have a pattern. Okay, this is a continuation pattern, and it's a continuation pattern to the upside because we recently had a large move to the upside from the lows here. All right, so that's check two. We have a pattern. We have a trend, right? Number one, check. Number two, we have a pattern, check. Now, our third criteria that we need is a squeeze, right? And do we have that? Well, we have that right here. As you can see, we're squeezing in a red dot right here. These red dots indicate that we're squeezing. So that means that we're trading in a tight range, and momentum is ready to be released to hopefully to the upside. Well, probability of this going up to the upside is likely because we recently had a move to the upside. Now, where do we get in on our entry? Well, that's kind of what we focus on in our group, okay? What we call the buy zones. Well, I know that there's a lot of traders out there who are struggling with finding entries and exits and stuff like that. Well, as you can see here, this is what we call our buy zone, okay? This is the daily mean, which is the 21 EMA. And stocks do two things and two things only, okay? They trade away from the mean, right, which is this blue line, and they trade back to the mean, away from the mean, back to the mean, okay? And we had a reversion to the mean on the daily chart here, and that signaled for us that this is a buy, okay? And what trade did we take on this today? Well, we bought some long calls on this for expiration of the October 15th expirations. We bought some in the money calls. All right, and then we also played a put spread on this. All right, so we have a directional trade on, and we also have a non-directional trade. Okay, so we're expecting that Yeti here is going to pop to 102 to 105 here very, very soon. So that is one trade we took today. If you guys are interested in learning how to generate consistent, profitable, weekly and monthly income, check out that link in the description to this to the channel, or check out the in the StockTwits profile. There's a link to the private Discord. There's a free trial we've got going on right now. Take advantage of it, guys. You guys have nothing to lose. And let's make some money together. All right. We'll see you guys in the next video.